bell so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And if you've been here before, welcome back, me and more. I'm so happy that you're here right now. Please be sure to hit that like button as well. As you guys can see, I did a twist and curl. Well, maybe you really can't tell anymore because this is second day hair and I low-key slept on it and I forgot to come back. Well, no, I didn't forget. I just never came back to do my intro and outro. That's why I'm on my phone and not in front of my ring light. But yeah, my hair came out super cute. Oh my god, I didn't even get like a normal freaking picture. But yeah, stay tuned for how I got these curls. The way to get these curls right here that you see is by sleeping without a scarf or without a bonnet on. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep on watching to see how I do my twist and curl perm rod set. So I'm hoping today I got it figured out. But it's Thursday, tomorrow's Valentine's Day, so it's time to get my hair together. I took my sew-in out yesterday, so I'm going to just be, I'm not going to be really showing you guys like how I'm washing my hair because I feel like I've done enough wash day routine videos to show you like how I do what I do. But today I'm going to be using Garnier Whole Blends. I was about to say Garnier Fructis, but it doesn't even say Fructis on here. It just says Garnier. They don't call themselves Garnier Fructis anymore. But anyway, I'm using their Whole Blends Repairing Shampoo and Conditioner. It's Honey Treasures, Royal Jelly Honey, and Propolis Extracts, and it strengthens and heals damage. It's enriched with a natural blend, and it's paraben free. This is what it looks like. And I love the bottles. They're really cute. And it smells amazing. I bought this in the summertime and I used it in the summertime, and I will never use this in the summertime again because those bees, honey, were on my head. Okay, literally on my head, literally in my hair, and I was too scared. I would never use this in the summertime again. But I love the shampoo and conditioner, honestly. So I'm going to use that, and then I'm kind of feeling like a protein treatment today. I don't know. But whatever I do, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell y'all. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm about to go wash my hair with this. Then I'll come back with the whatever I deep condition with. So this is where we at with the process. I've low-key been sitting here for like an hour and a half. But I have the conditioner in my hair from Garnier Whole Blends, and then I put this Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strength hair mask. This is it. I don't know. Now you can. Okay. So yeah, that's what I have in my hair, and I've been sitting here for a really long time. What was I gonna say? I forgot. So I'm about to go rinse this out. And if I remember what I was gonna say, I'm gonna say it when I come back. So you probably weren't expecting me to come back with a blue face. Blue face, baby. I'm sorry. Bro, I don't even know if it was really that funny, but a face mask when it's getting hard, it's like, I feel so stupid. But what I was trying to say earlier was that I got that face mask in a giveaway. Like, y'all, I won a giveaway, and the giveaway was done by Lavender Lay. That's her name on YouTube, and her Instagram name is Lavender Lay X, and she's a YouTuber. I just said that, but she's a YouTuber from Atlanta, Georgia, and she's a natural hair one as well. So I felt like I should give her a little shout out because thank you, girl. This is my first time using that hair mask, so I'm trying to decide if I want to see how it looks right now or wait until I wash my face off. But I'm here already. So let's get into this hair with this mask so y'all can see the new growth. And I have my hair wrapped up in a t-shirt because we don't use towels on our hair, and it's been wrapped up for about 10 minutes or so because I started this process at about 6:30, maybe 7. It's 9:07 now, and you know, this is going faster than, you know, like a weekend, so I'm chilling. My face is so blue, but this is what my hair is looking like. I really can't see it because the camera's in a way. Hopefully you guys can see me clearly. And yeah, my hair grew, you guys. Like, look at that. You see what that color is right there? Oh, you don't. Color right there and up. So like, that's my new growth. Just about something like that. And now I'm gonna go away again because I don't know what I'm about to do with my hair yet. BRB. So as you can see, I've already started perm rodding my hair, and I'm just gonna show you how I did the rest of this section. And yeah, this is the only thing I have left to do. And the products that why am I looking all the way back there, y'all? I'm sleepy. At this point, it's 12:06. And the products that I'm using are this Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco for natural hair, moisture rich hair butter, and this Twist and Curl Pudding. One of them is, the hair butter is weightless hydration, soft frizz-free curls, daily hair moisturizer, and the curl pudding is shapes and smooths for stretched out curls. Both of them, no sulfates, mineral oils, and blah blah blah, because you know it's the same as all the other Cream of Nature products from the Morocco oil line. So yeah. The other thing that I did not mention that I used was this leave-in conditioner, also from Cream of Nature. And you're probably wondering why I didn't just use Cream of Nature shampoo and conditioner when I wash my hair. I'm low-key running out of their shampoo. So yeah. And I also used the boom Cantu apple cider vinegar. I'm on some stuff right now. I used the apple cider vinegar root rinse from Cantu during my shampoo because, you know, I had that sewing in for a long time and I just needed some scalp clarification. And yeah, so boom, that's where we're at now. I've just been putting the part of my hair with this comb. I lost my clip. Where'd my clip go? There it is. And then, boom. So my hair is definitely dry now, so I gotta do a little spritz. And then I add the hair butter. And then I add the curl pudding or twist pudding. I think it's curl pudding. And then I'm saying this now so I don't have to do a voiceover, and then I'm just gonna have to continue to show you guys the rest. But that's what I do. Get the Demon brush, detangle from ends to roots, and then I'm gonna twist about halfway down or as far as you would like. And then after we get down to wherever we want to stop, we just brush out that end, make sure it's straight, true or curly. depending on what kind of hair you got going on, because this was definitely a go-to for me in my transitioning days. Like, make sure you got that end smoothed onto the rod so that it rolls up tightly and neatly and everything. But this was my go-to style when I was transitioning, because I just felt like it gave me a head full of curls even when some of my hair was straight. So yeah. Officially 12/26. It's Valentine's Day right now. Happy motherfucking Valentine's Day. I'm done putting these perm rods in my head. It's a lot. I'm gonna try to count them when I take them out tomorrow. Well, shoot, in like 6 hours. We'll see. But yeah, all of these items that I used today were actually from Lavender Lay. Like, all of them. She sent me like 4 full-size products. 3 of them from Creme of Nature, and 1 of them was a braid lock and twist gel that I really almost used today because I was going to do finger coils, but then I was like, no, it's Valentine's Day. Like, we need some popping curls. And yeah. But anyway, let me go to bed because it's about to be 12:30 and I have to wake up for work and I have to wake up for this. And I'm just gonna be showing. My scarf is right here, so I'm about to sleep with my scarf on. Plus, I feel like my scarf is a little more breathable than my bonnet is, so this should help with the drying. But well, whatever. Anyway, so it's like 8 o'clock in the morning. Probably gonna be late for work. Probably not though, but my hair gonna be cute. Hopefully. Because in all honesty, I did not get up to dry it like I said I would. That's because I didn't go to sleep until almost 2 a.m. My hair feels pretty dry for the most part. So I'm gonna go use the blow dryer and just try to make sure that it's dry for sure. Because I used a lot of product in the back of my head when I started. That's because I just don't want my curls to be frizzy. Like, I really was trying to perfect my perm rods and my flexi rods and stuff like that, because I just want pretty curls. So I'll be right back, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I take the rods out and everything. So I'll be right back. So I blow dried my hair for about 20 minutes, 15 minutes, something like that. So I'm gonna try to count these out. 43 perm rods. And yeah, I'm gonna use the blow dryer again to make sure that these curls stay like this. I don't know if you can see them. Fire. I feel it. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm about to go blow dry it some more. BRB. So I pulled the twist apart. My hair is still a little damp, so guess what? I'm not gonna touch it until later, until I feel like it's all the way dry. So we're just gonna leave it alone. And I'm just gonna, you know, come back with a little outro. And oh, so this is a twist that I forgot to unravel. So I'll just show you how I did it off camera. But yeah, I just went to the root. Boom, let it do what it do. And yeah, not touching it until it's all the way dry. So I'm gonna have a good day at work. Happy Valentine's Day. See y'all later. So I never came back to film my intro or my outro. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is basically my second day here, and I low-key slept on it. My God, I planned to sleep like pineapple it with my scarf and everything, but it still looks cute for, you know, what it is. So this is where we're at. So excuse me for one, being late posting this video, and for two, not being prepared with my intro and outro. Like, I was just in a rush and wasn't able to get it done. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share my video with your friends. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.